Let's look at how to track your closeout items in Closeout Pro. Closeout Pro gives you the option to sync your closeout items from Procore during your project setup. If you select Yes to sync closeout items from Procore, it will automatically import and map all the closeout items from Procore that you selected for each category in this step. If you select the No option, you can still create your closeout register on Closeout Pro, assign items to the subcontractors, and track it separately on Closeout Pro. In the Closeout Items section, you can see there's a C icon on the left, which means the data was selected from Procore. Any document uploaded on Procore for these closeout items would by default get synced here. If you want to view these documents, click on the Attachments option to open the document. If you want to add any item on Closeout Pro instead of Procore, you can upload it from here directly. One thing to note here would be that these documents will not be transmitted to Procore and will only be available to view on Closeout Pro. Also, you can create additional closeout items that you do not want to connect to Procore directly for the project by using the ADD option for that section. You will need to fill in the details like closeout item name, number, type, specification, responsible contractor, etc. Apart from this, you also have the option to bulk import the closeout register on Closeout Pro. You can download the sample CSV or an Excel file under the import screen. Once you have populated your register, you can import this file, and Closeout Pro will create these bulk items for you. Closeout Pro also gives you an option to export logs. Also, if you need items from a specific trade partner with their status, you can add a filter for the same and export your log. If you have invited subcontractors to Closeout Pro, the system also sends them emails if any items are approaching the due date or are overdue. The system does not send multiple emails to the subcontractors, but will send only one email per day with open items and due dates that are assigned to them. In this way, Closeout Pro helps you to track your closeout items effectively and automates your tracking process.